Good morning, thank you for coming to my present. Let me introduce myself. My name is Demonika Taiboko. Alright, in this presentation, we will discuss about analyzing sentences and sentences topic and main ideas. What we are discussing now is about analyzing sentences. This is developed from the first material. Now we're analyzing sentences. In the binary system, I number system that only uses two digit A1, I1 and 0. Using a computer I buy is made up of 8 bit, where a bit is A1 or A0. Binary system is used in computer pasif. Terjemahan, sistem biner digunakan di komputer. Terjemahan secara menyeluruh, I number system that only uses two digit AI1 and 0 using computer A byte is made up of 8 bit, where a bit is A or A0. Dalam sistem biner, sistem bilang yang hanya menggunakan dua digit, yaitu 1 dan 0. Yang digunakan di komputer 1 bit terdiri dari 8 bit, di mana 1 bit adalah 1 atau 0. One character of data is referred to in computing as I byte. One character of data is referred to in computing as I byte. Pasif. Terjemahan, satu karakter data disebut dalam komputasi sebagai bit. When data is transmitted through a network system, it can be transmitted in different ways. Data is transmitted through a network system. Positif. Terjemahannya, data dikirim melalui sistem jaringan. Terjemahan secara menyeluruh. When data is transmitted through a network system, it can be transmitted of different ways. Terjemahannya, ketika data kirim melalui sistem jaringan, itu dapat dikirim dengan berbagai cara. Asynchronous transmission or stop-start transmission sends the data one byte or character at a time. Asynchronous transmission sends the data aktif. Terjemahannya itu, transmisi asinkron mengirimkan data. Terjemahan secara menyeluruh, asynchronous transmission or stop transmission sends the data on byte or character at time. Terjemahannya, transmisi asinkron atau transmisi stop start mengirimkan data satu bit atau karakter pada satu waktu. A start bit, called a control bit, is added to indicate the beginning of each bit, and another control bit called a stop bit is added to indicate the end of each bit. A start bit added to the beginning of each byte. Positif. Terjemahan, bit awal ditambahkan ke awal setiap bit. Another control bit is added to the end of each byte. Pasif. Bit control lain ditambahkan ke setiap bit. Terjemahan secara menyeluruh, a start bit called a control bit is added to indicate the beginning of each byte, and another control bit called stop is added to indicate the end of each byte. Terjemahnya, bit awal disebut bit control, ditambah untuk menunjukkan setiap bit, dan bit control lain yang disebut bit berhenti ditambah untuk menunjukkan akhir setiap bit. Synchronous transmission send data in clocks. Synchronous transmission send the data aktif. Terjemahannya, transmisi sinkron mengirimkan data. Terjemahan secara menyeluruh, synchronous transmission send the data in clocks. Terjemahannya, transmisi sinkron mengirimkan data dalam blok. Extra bit of data kill is seen by R at the beginning and end of a clock. Extra bit of that are added at the clock. Pasif. Terjemahan, bit data extra ditambahkan di blok. Terjemahan secara menyeluruh, extra bit of data kills seen by are added at the beginning and of each clock. Terjemahannya, bit tambah data yang disebut disinkronasi ditambahkan di awal dan akhir setiap blok. They are used to synchronize the send and receiving device. They are used to synchronize the device. Pasif. Terjemahan, mereka bit data ekstra digunakan untuk menyinkronkan perangkat. Terjemahan secara menyeluruh, they are used to synchronize the sending and receiving device. Terjemahannya, mereka digunakan untuk menyinkronkan perangkat pengiriman dan penerima. When I message intransmitted through a network, it's processed in various ways by the software and the hardware. Much is transmitted in network. Pasif terjemahannya, pesan dikirim melalui jaringan. Terjemahan secara menyeluruh. When a message is transmitted through a network, is processed in various ways by the software and the hardware. Terjemahan, ketika sebuah pesan dikirim melalui jaringan, itu diproses dengan berbagai cara oleh perangkat lunak dan perangkat keras. It's processed by the application program AGN email program and it's processed by the operating system. It's processed by the application program passive. Terjemahannya itu pesan diproses oleh program aplikasi. It is processed by the operating system passive. Terjemahan itu pesan diproses oleh sistem operasi. Terjemahan secara menyeluruh, it's processed by the application program AGN email program and it processed by the operating system. Terjemahan ini pertama kali diproses oleh program aplikasi, misalnya program mail, dan diproses oleh sistem operasi. In the process by hardware should a HD network interface and finally by the network and electronics AG a router is passed through the network system. Is processed by the hardware passive. Ini terjemahannya, pesan diproses oleh perangkat keras. Terjemahan secara menyeluruh. It is then processed by hardware such as the network interface card and finally by the network electronic AG router is passed through the net system. Terjemahannya, kemudian diproses oleh perangkat keras seperti kartu antarmuka jaringan dan terakhir oleh elektronik jaringan, misalnya router saat melewati sistem jaringan. When arrived at its destination, is similarly processed in reverse order to deploy the message on the display screen of the receiving computer. Istri proses display on the receiving computer pasif. Terjemahannya itu pesan diproses untuk ditampilkan di komputer penerima. Terjemahan secara menyeluruh. When in or at destination, it is similarly processed reverse order to display the message on the display screen of receiving computer. Terjemahan, ketika pesan tersebut tiba di tujuannya, pesan tersebut diproses dengan urutan terbalik untuk menampilkan pesan tersebut pada layar tampilan komputer penerima. Listing 6 topic sentences main idea and main idea. Finding the main idea of paragraph. Identifying topic sentences and coding sentences. Topic sentences on character of data is referred to in computing as a byte. Concluding sentences, they are used to synchronize the sending and receiving device. Finding what they are connected, the word they are connected. Byte binary system bit is chronos transmission, I start bit, control bit, stop bit, chronos transmission, byte main idea on character data referred to in computing as a byte. Paragraph 5. Finding the main idea of the paragraph. Identifying topic sentences and coding sentences. Topic sentences. That's the end of our presentation today. Good morning.